Hello everyone! Today I will talk about the configurations in Nebula Graph. Firstly, let's talk about the system requirement. Someone said their services are frequently down or slow. It is probably because the system does not have enough storage. So you need to estimate how much resource you need. Use these formulas to estimate. According to these formulas, when you have a huge data set, let's say 10 billion H's, you need 100 GB to store them. Refer to the system requirement doc for details. We have posted the link in the video description bar for you. This document also introduces how to configure for HDD and gigabyte networks. But running Nebula Graph services in such environment is not recommended. Nebula reads the configurations from the config files and the meta service. If you want to use the configurations in the config files, set the local config parameter to true and restart the services. If you use CLI to do this, the settings will persist in the meta service, and then when you restart the services, Nebula will only read configurations from the MET service. To modify configurations with CLI, you need to use the config keyword. But you can't modify MET configurations with CLI. Show all the configurations with the statement show configs. Or you can use this statement to show the configurations of the graph service only. Check a specified configuration with the statement getConfigs. For example, this statement returns the local severity level of the storage service. If you want to update the configurations, run the update configs statement. When the mode is in multiple mode, the configuration takes effect immediately, but the modifications to some RuxDB parameters cannot take effect until the services are restarted. Besides, the update configs statement supports calculation. Let's try it. Firstly, let's check the volttl parameter of the storage service. It's 14,400 now. Let's modify it to 1024 times 4. Let's confirm our modification. It's 4096 now. Perfect. You can find the configuration docs of Nebula in the video description bar. Authorization configs are in the GraphD configuration doc. If you want to enable authorization, modify this file. Nebula supports RuxDB backend. RuxDB configurations are in the storage.d config file. The console and the kernel configurations will not be repeated here. Check the docs if you need them. Here comes the end of this episode. If you encounter any problems, welcome to ask us on the official forum. Thank you. Bye.